Hi everybody, I'm Lauren.
And I'm Brooke.
And we are here today to do our All Access flip through. Now, the February All Access is one that you are going to love. Lots of great things in this edition, and we're gonna walk you through it today. Now, one of the very first collections that I absolutely love is our FOLKSY floral collection. This is our 4x4 collection, meaning the designs are smaller for smaller hoops. We try and come out with one every month. And this collection specifically is beautiful, beautiful embroidered flowers. They come individually, but then as always, we include the blank quilt block. So if you want to use them and make a project, you can do that as well. Brooke, what do you have to show them over there?
Now I have some wonderful meal organizers. These are great for packing all your lunches or maybe even going on a picnic. We have our sandwich size. We also have a little snack size and a silverware size. Now these are great. We also have a tutorial on how you can waterproof the inside of your bags so that way it's easy, clean when you have a mess. Now for our designs, we have always bring snacks. We have stay fresh, 100% natural.
Eat them up.
Yeah.
How cute are these? So you can have like
perfect.
a little designer lunch bag, and these are reusable, so they are environmentally safe. I love this, Brooke.
Yeah, this is perfect.
I know. I might have to steal this one for my fork and knife for my lunches.
If we know where it went missing,
All right.
we're calling Lauren.
Don't call me. I'm busy. All right, so let's move on to word ribbons. This is an embroidery collection where we have these really beautiful uplifting words. This one says imagine, and we've put this on a beautiful sweatshirt because we love to wear our embroidery. Not only do we have our really great uplifting words, but then of course there is florals and decors, you know, kind of going all around as well. Now, why do we love this collection? Not only can you put it on clothes, but you can put it on bags, you can put it in frames and put it around your house as well. But it's really, really beautiful. You can tell that this collection is hand digitized, hand drawn by our artists, very detailed, very whimsical. So love, love this one. And of course, all of the designs come in multiple sizes as well. So for sure, you can find the size that fits your project.
Yes, I definitely love that on a pillow.
A pillow would be really cute.
That'd be super cute.
I love it.
Well, if you guys love a good quote or saying on your apparel, then you're sure to love our Sassy and Southern. We took our little design here and placed it on the back of a fleece zip up. This one says, give me some sugar. And we also have some other designs.
Wait, say that again? Wait, we need to work on our Southern accent. One more time, Brooke.
Give me some sugar. We may be sassy, but us Northerners sure are not Southern.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
But we have some really cute sayings in here. We also did a apron mock-up, which is great for your kitchen. And this one says, butter my biscuit.
Oh, there we go. That was improved. Improved upon. Improved upon.
And we also had mama ain't raised no fool.
Oh, I love these. So really great. We live in Charlotte, North Carolina here at Anita Goodesign, and we have lots of great Southern sayings that we hear out and about. A lot of you know our friend Taylor that works here as well from Alabama, so he loves to throw some good Southern sayings at us. So it's a great inspirational saying collection of the South. I have this collection I need to show you, and it's lace table runners. And they are absolutely stunning. And again, we love to use our embroidery to decorate for the home. And it has this freestanding lace that you create in the hoop. We give you all the directions, of course, how to measure and how to add the table runner portion on as well. And it's really as simple as matching your bobbin to your top thread and letting that machine run, and you have these one-of-a-kind home decor pieces for your table. So I really love this as an option as well. Different designs that come in that collection, so definitely something for everybody to like.
Yes, I love the icy blue color on that.
I do too, yes.
All right, now we also have our paper piecing aviary. Now this is a cute collection that shows you how to use folding fabric technique as our paper piecing designs. You can also catch this tutorial on our YouTube channel. Melissa does a great demonstration on how to piece this together. We have all sorts of different blocks so that you can mix and match your beautiful art. We also have decorative cottons that have an array of different prints, so you can have a little tonal birdhouse or a cute little bird of your choice. Now, if you love this collection, Lauren has another paper piecing technique that I'm sure you're gonna love.
I do. Yes, and this one is paper piecing florals. So this one, another gorgeous collection using that same paper piecing technique. And also, as you can see, we are ready for springtime and the florals to come. We're ready for this weather to warm up as well.
Absolutely.
So beautiful floral designs here. All of our quilting collections are going to come in the mix and match sizing. So you're going to have 6 different size blocks that you can choose from for this collection. But again, using that paper piecing applique technique, beautiful satin stitches in this collection as well. Now, these are just a few of our favorite collections that are released in the February All Access. We have a few more in there as well. There is a St. Patrick's Day collection because, you know, the Luck of the Irish is coming next month, and you need to start making those collections. We have some great vintage bathroom collections in there. There's content pieces where we show you how to make projects. I mean, February All Access is where it's at.
It is.
Now, if you are a member, this is coming your way, and if you are not, you want to take a peek at AnitaGoodDesign.com because we have an entire section on the website devoted to All Access. It will give you lots of information on there, and you can sign up as well. Now, tell them how they can watch some of our videos if they need to get some help visually.
Yes. Now, you make sure you go to our YouTube channel and type in whatever tutorial you're looking to do for our Anita Good Design site. Make sure you tap that bell notification so that you can get notified every time we post, and subscribe.
Awesome. Well, like I said, I know February is one of our favorites over here.
Absolutely.
And we thank you for joining us. We will see you next month for the March flip through. Have a good day, everyone.
Bye.